Vienna Convention on the Law of Treaties. Article 6. Capacity of states to conclude treaties. Every state possesses capacity to conclude treaties. Article 7. Full powers. 1. A person is considered as representing a state for the purpose of adopting or authenticating the text of a treaty, or for the purpose of expressing the consent of the state to be bound by a treaty if a. He produces appropriate full powers, or b. It appears from the practice of the states concerned or from other circumstances that their intention was to consider that person as representing the state for such purposes, and to dispense with full powers. 2. In virtue of their functions and without having to produce full powers, the following are considered as representing their state. A. Heads of state, heads of government and ministers for foreign affairs, for the purpose of performing all acts relating to the conclusion of a treaty. B. Heads of diplomatic missions, for the purpose of adopting the text of a treaty between the accrediting state and the state to which they are accredited. C. Representatives accredited by states to an international conference, or to an international organization, or one of its organs, for the purpose of adopting the text of a treaty in that conference, organization, or organ.